Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and basically guys, you found this video because you're searching for a method to get free PSN codes and free PSN gift cards in 2024. And I've managed to find a working method, and I've decided to share it with all of you guys so you can benefit from this as well. So as mentioned, this is going to get you a $100 free PSN code, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to be recording my mobile phone and putting it here, so just make sure you all follow along. And it's pretty easy, but there is a short process you need to follow. So you can see on my screen here, guys, you need to open up an internet browser on your mobile phone and go to this website, guys. You can see it says down here at the bottom of the screen, www.wavycoupons.com. So just make sure you pause the video and type it exactly like this, guys, because you need to go directly to the website. And this website is pretty awesome. They have lots and lots of different pages, pretty much anything and everything you can think of. Go to the search bar at the top of the page and just type in PlayStation, and it should just pop up. You can see here it's got the blue logo. The second one down, it says PSN gift cards, codes and coupons. Click on that page, and basically, guys, you can see there's a few different codes that you can choose from. We're interested in the $100 gift card. So this is a simple code that you can redeem in the PSN store, and it's going to give you $100, and that's more than enough to purchase a latest game, whatever you want. So click on show coupon, and basically you can see here we need to unlock the code, which is completely normal. These codes are obviously worth quite a bit of money, so this just prevents some bandit coming on and taking all of the codes. So tap unlock code. Now the unlocking process takes a few minutes, but it's pretty easy, and of course I'm going to talk you through it. So you can see this is the code unlocker that appears, and we need to just follow the instructions on this page. And as you can read here, it says complete 2 of the free offers below, and basically follow the instructions below each one, and this will verify you're not a robot. So on my screen you can see I have a list of tasks, and essentially I just need to complete 2 of these tasks, and once I've done that, it'll unlock my code. So these tasks you can see, for example, there's some games that I can download and play. They're all completely free, of course, and they're all completely legit, and you basically just have to follow the instructions that it says below. There's also some surveys where you just have to basically answer some easy questions and then input an email. So I'm going to complete 2 of these and then I'll return. Okay guys, so that did take me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just took my time and made sure I fully completed 2 tasks on this page. So I basically finished off a survey where I had to input my valid email address, and then I just downloaded this game at the top, this Coin Master game. I basically had to download the game, open it up, and then play it until I completed level 3. So pretty easy, I didn't mind doing that, but yeah, it did take me almost 10 minutes. So now I've completed those 2 tasks, I'm pressing my tabs button, and I've got this PSN coupons tab down here that when you open up, if you've done everything correctly, it should now show you your PSN code. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in the PSN store, and it's going to give you $100 to spend in the store. So I'm going to be using this one, so you're going to have to come and get your own code. So come along to www.wavycoupons.com and get your free code. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave a comment below if you need any help. Always willing to help you guys out. Thanks for watching. Have a great new year. Peace.